Also, with basic warehouse management configurations in Business Central, you can pick items for jobs. Now, for this demonstration, I've created location south, and as you can see, it's set up for using inventory put away and inventory pick documents. So when you enable require put away and require pick, but without require shipment and receive, you can use inventory pick and inventory put away documents. So also here I've combined it with bin mandatory. Now, important when you use basic warehouse management as set up here, you don't enter a to-job bin code here on the bins. You could if you want, but it's advised to leave this field blank. Why? Well, it's quite simple. Only with advanced warehouse management, you're moving items from a take bin to a place bin when you're picking items. You see, with basic warehouse management as configured here, you're like immediately picking and consuming the item from the bin on which the item is placed. All right, let's look at an example, and let's go to the list of jobs. And for this demonstration, I have created a new job, the upgrade office furniture, but as you will see, it's quite similar to the new office furniture job that I've used in the previous demonstration. And for task 300, we have a few planning lines, and one of the planning lines is for an item. So also here, this is quite important. If you want to use the inventory pick to pick the items from the warehouse, you need to create job planning lines for the item. Okay, so it's also the London swivel chair that we need, but in this case, the location code is south. Now, notice that we have a bin here. So, and this is the bin on which the item is placed. Yeah, and if you use inventory picks and inventory putaways, they're always an option. Also with sales and purchase documents, you can use the inventory pick or and inventory putaway, but you don't have to. You can also just post the purchase and the sales document, and that's the same here. So instead of using an inventory pick, I could go ahead and create a job journal line and post the job journal line. Yeah. So the inventory pick is an option, but sometimes it can add value to the process because you can instruct people in the warehouse to first go ahead and pick the item, and then job employees can consume the item. So, and that's why I will show you how to use the inventory pick in this scenario. So, and I will return to the job card. And when you click on process, create inventory pick, you will see that one inventory pick is created. So let's go and look up the document. So there it is. So let's open the inventory pick. So, and there you go. So 24 units of the London swivel chair located on this bin code. So the inventory pick is simpler than the warehouse pick. At the warehouse pick, we always have two lines, take and place, when you use bins, but here with the inventory pick, it's only one line. And like I just said, when you post the inventory pick, you're not only picking the items, but you're also consuming them on the job. So that's quite important. So let's go ahead. I will first autofill the quantity to handle. And then by clicking on posting, post, I can pick the items and also post the job usage. So if we return to the job, and if I go back to the job planning lines, you will see that these items are also consumed. So if I scroll to the right, you can see that there's no remaining quantity anymore. So the London swivel chairs have been picked and also consumed on the job.